Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys see, I'm in my table. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. Guys, this week we have a guest host. And by starting, I want to say welcome back to my channel. And yes, like I said, this is Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures. And this week, our guest host is Designs with Emma. I will link everybody's channel in my description box below. I want to do a Mackenzie Childs inspired tablescape. You know, Mackenzie have color. You guys see that this doesn't go all the way. It's a little wrinkle, but it's all right. It'll do the job. So yeah, guys, Emma likes black and white, so I want to do a Mackenzie Child inspired with a touch of colors. You know, there are some things from Mackenzie Child that has beautiful color. Fortunately, I cannot afford the real Mackenzie Childs, but I could do an inspired table. So that's what I'm going to do. I don't know if I want to use this. Okay, I guess I changed my mind. I'm going to use the Vantage lace tablecloth. So let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do a Vantage lace tablecloth. I hope you guys are doing well. I love this tablecloth. It is so beautiful. I'm going to name this table my Mackenzie Child Extravaganza. All right, guys. I want to start with, I'm not using placemats. I am not using placemats. I'm just gonna go straight with my chargers. I'm doing a setting for 4. And you know, Mackenzie Child has so many different patterns. Nothing is perfect. So I want to start with that. I'm going to start with my rooster plate. I love the pattern of these plates. As you guys can see. See the pattern? Beautiful pattern. You're not going to see the rooster. I just need the edge of the plate. With that, I'm going to come on with my circle. You're not going to see the writing in it as well. And on top of those, I'm going to use my little red ones. you guys like what I put together for you. Guys, if you like my video, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe. I would love to have you join my channel. All right. I will be using my DIY coasters. I did this a long time ago, like so. I will be using my black and clear flute. Guys, when I moved in here, my black, the big ones, they broke. I only have one. I'm telling you guys, a lot of stuff of mine broke. And with that, I will be using my little red crack and barrel glasses. I have to get my other two, which I keep down here. Okay, where are they? I'll get them in a minute. So I'm gonna pause you there and I'm gonna bring you guys back. Guys, I honestly don't know where I'm going with this. So I am using my gold style cutlery. Because of course Mackenzie Childs have gold edge on some of their pieces. All right. Yeah. I'm also going to be using colorful napkins, which I just did simple to place on top of my plate. Emma, I hope you like what I put together for you. You guys know that I don't plan my tablescapes. I just do them because if I plan, they will never come out. I just grab different patterns. I think that's one of my signature things. I grab different patterns and I start laying on my table until I like what I see. You know, you gotta make what makes you happy. So I guess my brain doesn't work like everybody else's. If that would have happened, this world would have been a very boring world. So yeah, guys, do what makes you happy. Don't be afraid to mix and match what you have. Sometimes you will realize that you will come out with something very nice. I hope the host also like what I put together. Okay. So I think that looks nice. Let me bring you guys close a little bit. I think that is looking nice. Yeah, I think that's looking nice. I wanted to put a runner, but I wasn't sure. Like this runner. I really don't want to cover my table. Yeah, you know what? I think I am going to use the runner because it brings the color of the plates out. This is like a metallic and it matches with my cutlery as well. So I think I'm going to put it. Yeah, I like that. I hope you like that as well. All right. I'm going to add some greenery. You guys always see my little rings. And in there, I'm going to add my candelabras. Let me fix this because I have to put them right through. Let me fix this and I'm gonna bring you guys back, okay? But I think I'm like what I'm seeing so far. Oh, I gotta put batteries in it. So, I gotta add batteries to it. I feel like I'm missing something. Flowers. I'm missing flowers. And since this is a Mackenzie Childs inspired, this is a DIY that I did a long time ago. My Mackenzie Childs inspired pop. Okay, and you guys can see it. Let me move you guys back a little bit. That's my Mackenzie. I DIY this about 6-7 years ago. So, now let's add some flowers. I also DIY my vase as well. Hold on. There you go. I think that's better. There you go. I think that's better. This one is too close to my candle. Don't want to have any accidents. So move this candelabra a little bit. Okay. I still feel like I'm missing something else. Oh. I know the vase that I DIY. Okay. What else, guys? What else do you think I'm missing? You think I'm missing something? I'll put it in the comment because I don't think I'm missing anything else. Well, guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn on the lights, turn off the lights, turn on the candles, and show you from close. I still got to put some of my fairy lights. I'm going to put like a little touch of spring. Remember, we are in Easter, so I want to put a little bit of touch of Easter on the table as well, even though it's a Mackenzie Childs inspired. Let me do that for you. I'm just adding some of these little pigs in the flower arrangement. Sorry about my bag, guys. Just a few little pigs wherever I could put them in. So it gives it like a touch of Easter. Just little touch, just simple little touches gives it the look. And guys, I love looking at videos when people put their tablescape together, so you can grab some ideas. I think that's the best thing. Very simple. Just very simple. All right, guys. Now let's do the candles. Okay, guys, here we go. Let me bring you guys close. I think it looks beautiful, guys. What do you guys think? It looks beautiful. All right, guys, let me bring you guys close. Here's the night view. This is my Mackenzie Childs Inspire Tablescape. I think it turned out beautiful. I love it. Here's my place setting. Very simple and elegant. So guys, I put little fairy lights on the bottom of my vases. I DIY this vase. You can use them either or. If you have a lot of flowers, you turn them around and you use the other side. But since I have enough flour to fit on the thin size, so that's what I did. There you go, guys. From this angle, I love it. Let me turn on the light and show you guys close with the lights on. Meanwhile, guys, my living room is switched around. Let me turn on the light so you guys can see. This is from over here. There it is. There's a video coming about my living room switch around. But yeah, guys, there is my tablescape. I think it turned out beautiful. All right, guys, let me come over here and leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. And we'll be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.